Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off broadcast recommendations on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings and now click manage notifications. Now here you will find broadcast recommendations. Click on it and it will be turned on, and if you want to turn it off just click on it like this and it will be turned off, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.